Welcome back to the channel, and first let me apologise for taking a what was probably pretty close to a month break from posting anything, but I wanted to welcome you to our new home, and that's quite exciting, and that was the reason for the delay, as we have been moving in and closing and all the other craziness that happens with trying to purchase property in the UK. So welcome to the new home of RE-motorCYCLE, and welcome to what will be the new RE-motorCYCLE workshop and garage. So what we have here, a few channel updates. We have Ian's GSX-S. We still have the Aprilia RST 1000. So now that we have a space to hide from the weather and update the kind of the workshop area into something that's usable, we are going to be carrying on with this this bike. We are going to be working on the Speedo, actually, is the main thing. So we've had some great feedback. I want to thank you all for what you've given me as far as insights, and Lee at Lee Boys Builds, which I'll put a link in this, is going to come over and help me a little bit with this. So we're going to have to take the tyre off, or the wheel off rather, and see if we can identify what's causing the Speedo to not work, and whether it is just a signal issue, and how we can go about that. So I need to fix that, and then so there'll be a video on that. We're also going to have a video on me servicing this finally, although it hasn't been leaking for a long time. I do have some nice new floor that we see there, and some other bits. Obviously there's a lot to come in here before we get ready. I've got a new workbench that I'm going to be building. Next up we have my Monster. This I need to bleed the front brake. The front brake, when it was sitting, I noticed when I came here, is lost some of its quite a lot of its bite actually. So we're going to be bleeding that. That's going to be the first thing that we'll be doing on this bike. And then of course my beloved 916. Now I've got two things coming on video that we'll be doing in January in the workshop, as well as building out the workshop. The first one is a how-to defog the lights here. There we go. So we'll be working on that as a how-to. And the other one, which is a little bit more unusual, is the lights on the dash. So we're going to pull the dash off. There's a couple of light bulbs that are missing in it, like in the or that are broken over the years in the temperature gauge, and also, as I discovered the other month, that the fuel light doesn't work. Well, the fuel light doesn't work now. It's a case of, is it the actual bulb that's broken, or is it something in the tank? Don't know. We'll find out. But the fuel light will fix that. I'm going to change all, as I'm going to pull this off, I'm going to change all the bulbs in there. Might as well get them all done. I've bought a whole pack, and we'll put a new set in. We've got a nice new workbench to set up, as well as toolkits and other stuff. So we'll be building this out as a workshop. I've got new lights coming in, and so on. But yeah, looking forward to it. Should be a fun and exciting time for the channel. A lot more content, a lot more road tests and biking stuff as soon as the weather gets better. For the time being, let's kit this out, and let's see how we get on over the next few months. So the only thing really left for me to do for this year is to thank you all. It's the beginning of the channel and the project, so I want to thank each and every one of you for watching, for commenting, for liking. It's been amazing. It's been a lot of fun. Hopefully 2026 will be a great year, and we'll have a lot of motorcycle adventures to continue on with. So until then, have a fantastic Christmas or whatever holiday you celebrate at this time, and New Year, and we will see you in 2026. Take care.